All right, Fun Facts fam, let's shake things up. Literally. Today's superstar is salt, the little white crystal that's been making food taste amazing for thousands of years. But salt isn't just for your fries. Oh no, it's way more powerful than you think. First, a history shocker. Salt was once so valuable that people used it as money. Yep, ancient Romans even paid their soldiers in salt. That's actually where the word salary comes from. Imagine getting your paycheck in little bags of salt. Would you spend it, or just pour it on your popcorn? Salt is also a preservation hero. Long before refrigerators, people packed meat and fish in salt to keep them from spoiling. Basically, salt was the OG fridge. But let's talk weird science. Sprinkle a little salt on ice, and it actually makes it melt faster. That's why roads get salted in winter to stop them from turning into skating rinks. And here's a fun kitchen trick. Drop a pinch of salt into your boiling water. And not only will it make your pasta taste better, it also makes the water boil hotter. Science helping spaghetti. What a time to be alive. But salt isn't just about food. It's also been used in medicine and rituals. Gargle warm salt water when you've got a sore throat. That's salt doing its germ-fighting magic. Ever heard of a salt bath? It's relaxing and helps sore muscles. Basically, salt is like a spa in disguise. Here's a cool one. Salt crystals are so perfect and shiny that ancient civilizations thought they had magical powers. Some people even still keep salt in their homes to ward off bad vibes. Take that, negativity. So here's the question for you. If you could only keep one, salt for food, salt for science, or salt for magic, what would you pick? Salt may be tiny crystals, but together they've shaped history, food, and even culture. And that's why it totally deserves a spot on Fun Facts Unleashed.